Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to scan QR codes on your VIVO Y27. Scanning QR codes is pretty easy. You just need to open Google Lens. In order to open Google Lens, either find your Google widget on your home screen and click on this camera button, which is Google Lens, or if you don't have it, just go to the Google app, and in Google app click on the lens button. So you can either do it from the widget or from the app. Then open camera, and now I'm gonna put my QR code here, hover over it with my camera, and then click on the link here, and it gets me to the link. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.